Independence Day to all. I'm A. Fariha of class 11 here to speak few lines on Independence Day. This day is even more special for us as it is our Diamond Jubilee. We are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. Let us come together and celebrate this biggest occasion of every Indian. Let's begin. A famous quote says, "No other sacrifice are higher than the sacrifice of own motherland." We are proud to be a part of independent India. Unity in diversity is a speciality of Indians. Being a proud Indian citizen, we must never forget the importance of 15th August in our history, the day India got freedom. It is a day to celebrate our freedom by paying tribute to our freedom fighters who showed immense love, bravery, sacrifice and patriotism for their mother nation and gifted us a beautiful free India. We, the citizens of India, must pledge to carry on the legacy to make our country proud. This day we celebrate with lots of enthusiasm and patriotism. We pay tribute to our country and the freedom fighters who lost their lives for setting the country free. A national holiday observes Independence Day and everyone celebrate Independence Day by hoisting flags in the schools, offices, societies, etc. Indian Independence Day marked the end of the British rule in 1947 and the pathway to free and independent India. We need to remember those freedom fighters who lost their valuable life and assets. Thousands of men and women were struggling under the British law. They were not allowed to speak, they were not allowed to study, they were not allowed to live like humans. Only after India got freedom, we had so many rights and laws to protect us. And today, we are happily living in our free India. In the end, we cannot merely say that 15th August is solely about freedom. It reminds us the pain of being enslaved, of strength and unity. It defines the sacrifice, and it gives an example that freedom can be won with non-violence, and of all the things it makes us feel proud and cherish the freedom we have today. Now at present, it has been a nature training times for all of us, as this academic has come to our life as storm in the form of COVID-19. It has bond our life stand still and make us realize the bond with Mother Nature. Let us celebrate the freedom and celebrate the Independence Day by paying back to our country. Jai Hind.
A pleasant warm welcome to our honorable chief guest, respected vice principal ma'am, respected headmaster, respected primary headmistress, respected coordinators, and my dear teachers. On this auspicious occasion of great pride and honor, I take immense pleasure to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. We stand here to witness our resurgent India. Sure, of requesting our VP ma'am to give a bouquet to our honorable chief guest, sir. To begin this day orderly, let us first invoke the presence of the Almighty, our Mother Tamil. Thus, I would like to call upon our teachers to sing Tamil Thai Valse.
Sri Ram Padana especially the first, our Honorable Chief Guest. All I welcome you for this program. Next comes up the remaining all the staff members who are all working and deserve to your duties in time for the successful of this institution and also the nation. All I welcome you because of all these sessions. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Occasion, we will have our flag hoisting ceremony.
அதை தாழ்ந்து பணிந்து புகழ்ந்திடவாரே தாயின் மணி கொடிப்பாரே அதை தாழ்ந்து பணிந்து புகழ்ந்திடவாரே தாயின் மணி கொடிப்பாரே ஓங்கி வளர்ந்ததோ கம்பம் ஓங்கி வளர்ந்ததோ கம்பம் அதன் உச்சியின் மேல் வந்தே மாதரம் என்று ஓங்கி வளர்ந்ததோர் கம்பம் அதன் உச்சியின் மேல் வந்தே மாதரம் என்று பாங்கின் எழுதி திகழும் செய்ய பட்டொளி வீசி பறந்தது பாரி பாங்கின் எழுதி திகழும் செய்ய பட்டொளி வீசி பறந்தது பாரி தாயின் மணி கொடிப்பாரே அதை தாழ்ந்து பணிந்து புகழ்ந்திடவாரே தாயின் மணி கொடிப்பாரே கம்பத்தின் கீழ் நிற்றல் காணே கம்பத்தின் கீழ் நிற்றல் காணே எங்கும் காணரும் வீர பெருந்திரு கூட்டம் கம்பத்தின் கீழ் நிற்றல் காணே எங்கும் காணரும் வீர பெருந்திரு கூட்டம் நம்பக்குரிய வீர தங்கள் நல்லுயிர் ஈந்தும் கொடியினை காப்ப நம்பக்குரிய வீர தங்கள் நல்லுயிர் ஈந்தும் கொடியினை காப்ப தாயின் மணி கொடிப்பாரே அதை தாழ்ந்து பணிந்து புகழ்ந்திடவாரே தாயின் மணி கொடிப்பாரே.
Pledge. India is my country. All India, I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Change the future and make new history. Independence Day was indeed one of the most significant days in the history of India. We must also remember those who have sacrificed their lives to make us live in this day. Also, we must not forget that any kind of democratic division on the base of religion, caste, or we so lucky our forefathers have given us a land of peace and happy where we can sleep whole night without fear and enjoy the whole day in our school or home. Our country is developing very fast in the field of technology, education, sports, finance, and various other fields which were almost impossible before freedom. India is one of our countries rich with nuclear power. We are going ahead by actively participating in sports like Olympics, Commonwealth, and Asian Games. We have full rights to choose our government and enjoy the largest democracy in the world. Yes, we are free. We have complete freedom. However, we should not underestimate ourselves, free to of our responsibility towards our country. As being a responsible citizen of the country, we should be always ready to handle any emergency condition in our country.
So, Honorable Chief Guest, respected Vice Principal Ma'am, Headmaster Sir, dynamic coordinators, lovable teachers and staff members, very good morning and happy 75th Independence Day to you all. I feel honored and privileged to get an opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this Independence Day celebration. We are grateful to all freedom fighters who sacrificed everything for the independence of our country. Our heartfelt thanks to the Chief Guest of the day, Honorary Flying Officer Mohan Sir, who served for our country and graced us with this thought-provoking address, and we will follow your words, sir. Thank you so much. We would like to express our deep sense of thankfulness to our management. From the bottom of my heart, I thank our Vice Principal Ma'am for the motivation, Headmaster Sir, coordinators, teachers and staff members who rendered their support to make this day a memorable one. Thank you all. Once again, thank you everyone. Jai Hind.
Well, we believe that our national event is incomplete without the national anthem of our beloved country. Thus, I would like to call the teachers to come on stage and sing national anthem. School attention!